I, Rahul Gandhi, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the House of the People, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.